Congratulations! You have just won a free pass into my kitchen for 1 week. In this 7-part series, you will see breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, dessert, barbecue, and a bonus.
I seem to be getting asked lately if I cook or not, so I guess I'm due for a cooking video. Sugar, cinnamon, pork, pan, that's enough for me. Margarine. If your margarine's too cold, hold it over the fire, soften it up. Oatmeal. One shake of flour. Big gob of brown sugar. Stir. About the right texture you need right there. Spread evenly. I like to pack mine together. There you go. Apple crisp. 350 in the oven. Cook it till it's brown. Done. Let stand 10 minutes. There you go, dinner served. Oh yeah, very good. The flour binds the quick oats. Very sweet, juicy, and crispy. Good stuff.